Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert icons on Microsoft Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Microsoft Word is one of the most popular apps available out there when it comes to making the text document and editing them. In Microsoft Word documents, workbooks, email, and presentation, you can insert icons. They can be rotated, colored, and resized without losing quality. There is no royalty or copyright associated with this icon. So, the Word library has ready-made icons that can be sized, moved, and formatted like other shapes. So here's in this video, we'll show you how to insert the icons on your Word document. So first of all, we have to open our Word. I will show you. We'll open the blank document. Now, you can go to menu bar. You can click on Insert. In here, you'll find there is an option Icons. You can just click on that. And you'll find there's so much icon that you can use, like access for accessibility, analytics, animals, apparel, arrow, art. There's so much free icons that you can use in here. For example, I will choose like this. Choose on the icon. Click on the icon that you want to add. Click on Insert. It'll turn out like this. And maybe and you can also add more than one icon on your Word document. So cool, right? Here's for the example. You can add another one. You can add much icon on your Word document in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add icons, how to insert icon on your Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.